Alright, so I'm gonna bust down this GbpUsd weekly profile for you guys. Just kind of give you my perspective and my thought process, what I was looking at, and how I initiated a trade this week. And so, what you see here right now, we're on the daily chart. This is where I come and I really live on the daily chart just to give me my overall bias, my directional bias, and just give me like a good idea of where that institutional order flow is. Right now, at a glance, I could already see. Obviously, we've been pretty bullish. We've been on a strong bull run, and based on a lot of other things like seasonal tendencies and everything like that, I've been bullish on the pound for the majority of May. And But that doesn't mean I didn't take any shorts. I haven't taken any long. I was just that specific to only taking long trades. It just lets me know where we are, where the overall market is, and when you have that, when you have that bias, right? It's like you're not just because you have a overall bias doesn't mean if you are a day trader, I want to say. If you're a position trader or like kind of like more of a swing trader, then yeah, that long term bias, or that mid to long term bias may, uh, you know, make more sense for you. But I think when you're a day trader like myself, you're short term, scalper or what have you. You're looking for your 30, 50, maybe even 100 pips sometimes. Like you can definitely, you don't have to be so just like, oh, okay, like this is the bias and this is what I'm sticking to, right? So anyway, so yeah, man, so what I can see here, I can see that we've been bullish. I also see that price is currently at a key level, right? And the reason why I want you to take your eyes here, right? This was uh, a huge swing high here, where we start to go bearish, right? And then obviously from here, we made the retail double bottom or whatnot, and then we made a swing low and started to go bullish. And so we've been bullish since, right? And so now that we're at this key level, on Sunday, Monday, which I don't trade often, I can already, I'm waiting to see, are we gonna take out this liquidity and continue bullish, and or are we gonna kind of just stagnate in this area, and start to show market reversal, because we are at a key level. And like I said, overall, yes, we're bullish, but because we're at this key level, I wanted to see how it plays out. Plus, it was the end of the month, so I didn't expect anything too crazy in the market. um, but things happen. So let's go down to the hourly chart, man. And before I like slap the lipstick on it, I just kind of want to, give it to you just naked. All right, guys. So like now here we're on the hourly chart. So just to like kind of give you my perspective on where my head was like in real time. Um, I'll show you exactly what I was looking at on Sunday, Monday, and what had me, go in on Tuesday and short the market. Okay, so I saw at the end of the last week we had that sell side liquidity here, and then here on Sunday we didn't do much. I saw Monday we came out, right. I knew that this area here, this was our dealing range high, this is our dealing range low. So all I do is measure from this low to this high, and you get the premium level, and then you get the discount level, right? So this is equilibrium, right? So this is what that is delineating. If you want to know more about that, man, definitely check out ICT's liquidity and revert video. That actually, he breaks this down even better than I can. It's his concepts. So I'm just showing you, I'm giving you my perspective on how I look at it. So soon as I knew that we made the high on Monday of, this is the start of the week for me, right, during London. When I saw during London on Tuesday, we broke that previous daily high. We were at a premium, plus we broke that previous day high, so we purged that liquidity, right? So now I knew, okay, this is when this is where we could short. So I'm up on Tuesday early on London, and if I see an opportunity, this is like the classic ICT Judas swing. It went above opening price, and I can't show exactly the entry point, but I knew once we went above opening price that I would short the market. So I got in right there. I took a second position here during New York. And all I did was just use the fibs, and I just went from that high to that low. Got a 62 right there. Boom. Okay. So I had two positions running, and I typically try to get three positions on one trade for the week. That's how I do. I go 3 for 1. That's like my model, and that's what I like. That's how I like to trade. That way, I trade. I can trade one pair. I can get three trades in one long, I guess you want to say, one short-term position. I would say. I wouldn't say a long-term position. And so Wednesday come around, I had another OTE. And all I did was it came right back to that level. I took another position, a third position, and I close. Typically, I close around New York Open on Thursday. And once I started to see, I already had my trailing stops, but once I started to see the market reverse, that's a classic midweek reversal, and so we went long, like I already initially thought, to take out that previous high. We hadn't taken it out through Friday either, but I'm out of the market at this point, right? So I'm gonna let the market do what it does, because on the daily chart you can see, those key levels, right? And so if we go back to it, like I said, it's like my compass. So I could already tell with this price action over the last week or so, like it's kind of like I don't know if I'm trying to continue bullish or we're trying to do a reversal. I'm not trying to play in all that. That's why I day trade, and I look for short-term trades. I'm in and I'm out. You can definitely hit your weekly pip targets, percentage targets, whatever that may be. Like I said, this one trade here was I got in right at 142.05. That was, so overall I think I got out of like right around this area once I started to see it reverse. So 70, I know it was like 70 pips, so 70 pips in total. And I had three positions. So that in a nutshell, that was a great trading week, man. My goal is 50 pips per week, so definitely hit my target fairly quickly. I actually could have been out a lot earlier. I actually hit my target on the first day, but I wanted to see if I can mash out and capture 100 pips or so. So once I capture my 50 pip target, I pay myself first off the first position, and then I got two positions running. And if it hits 100 plus pips, man, then like, dude, that's just extra gravy on the biscuit. So other than that, that's just kind of like a recap of my trades, or one trade this past week. I'll continue to pump out these videos, man. When you guys, if you guys want to see more content like this, man, be sure to like and subscribe to the content, man. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you'd like to see more of. Just give me your thoughts, man. Let me know how you like the content and everything like that. Make sure you share it, comment, subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.